Terrifying calls to 911 reveal what people were seeing and feeling as the tornado touched down in Nashville Tuesday morning. And we are hearing some of these newly released calls for the first time.
Hello, sir. Are you okay?
Hello, under the Jefferson Street Bridge. I'm trapped.
Okay, what are you trapped under?
I don't know. I'm super trapped. I got hit. I don't know if I'm bleeding or anything. I need help now.
A frantic caller begged for help as an EF2 tornado with 125-mile-per-hour wind moved through the edge of Germantown at around 12:40 Tuesday morning.
What are you trapped underneath?
I don't know. I can't move.
Okay, just stay with me.
Help!
I'm getting help to you, okay?
Help!
Okay, you need to calm down. You need to calm down. I'm getting help started to you, okay?
Around the same time, another person scrambled to get help for people off of Cockrell Bend, next to John C. Toon Airport.
Listen to me, Patrick. Do you know if anybody's injured?
We don't know. My ribs are hurt. I don't know where everybody. We're looking for people now.
Okay.
The building next door to us is gone.
Another caller also described the damage and chaos unfolding at the airport.
Tornado must have touched down here. We've got trailers flipped over at the food delivery service, and I'm right next to John C. Toon Airport. All I can see is orange in the distance from flames.
These were just a few of the calls dispatchers received as the tornado tore through portions of Nashville, as people took cover and did their best to protect themselves and their neighbors.